Discover how to grow your online business. Make more money with right tools. Learn and apply news tips. Read books and see courses. In this channel I will show you many things. Like softwares, ebooks, courses and many tools. Some free and some paid. Tips for increase your social network. Many ways how to make money online. I will share secret information for your success. I don't promise you will get rich. But with study and dedication, you will get some monthly income. You will discover many ways to get $500 monthly or more. Subscribe the channel and stay tuned for news. See you soon.